Good afternoon. I am Dr. Trivedi, Principal, Allied Health Sciences, Chandigarh University. I feel very privileged to come here today to talk to the freshers, the first year physiotherapy students about clinical reasoning. Physiotherapy is a very vast branch, and learning physiotherapy is not just theoretical knowledge but a practical learning. We have it here. Talking about Saraswati College of Physiotherapy, I really privileged to see the vibrant campus, the great infrastructure they have, hands-on training for the students as they are having their own clinic, their own hospital. I'm really privileged to be here today to be a part of this orientation session. It has given me very good insight. There are a lot of learning students are going to gain here in next upcoming 4.5 years. And I'm very confident about Saraswati Institute of Physiotherapy for their training, learning and hands-on experience of physiotherapy students. I wish all the best to the students of physiotherapy, those who are joined in current academic year. I thank the management, Saraswati College of Physiotherapy, for inviting me here. My message to the student is, do your best. You have all opportunity and open your wings and fly. Thank you.